Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want your designs to match your brand or use a specific typeface, Canva allows you to upload and use costume fonts, giving your project a unique and professional look. Okay. So in this guide, I will show you step by step how to add costume fonts in Canva in 2026 cleanly, correctly, and like a pro. Okay, so first thing first, open Canva and log into your account. From the home page, click brand or brand kits in the left sidebar. Okay, so as you can see, so you have to have a Canva Pro, so you have to pay. Okay, so now scroll to the fonts section. Okay, tap it. Look for brand fonts. Okay, and this area stores your uploaded font. Okay, so click upload a font and select your font file, OTF, TTF, or WOFF. Click open and Canva will upload the fonts. Add it to your brand fonts. You may see a confirmation message about licensing. Okay, so confirm you have the right to use the font, and open any Canva design. Add or text, select text, open the fonts drop down, find your uploaded font, click to apply it. Your costume font now works like any Canva font. Okay, so to make it your default brand font, go back to brand kits. In the font section, set your costume fonts as heading fonts, subheading fonts, body fonts. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.